we have to solve inequality 3x minus 5 is less than x plus 3. When we have to solve inequality, it means we have to find all possible values of x for which this inequality is true. Let me copy first this. I have 3x minus 5 is less than x plus 3. First, I have to collect all terms containing x on the left side, so 3x, positive x, when I move to the left side will be negative x, and I will move negative 5 to the right side, so I have less than 3 plus 5. 3x minus x will be 2x is less than 8. Now, because I have multiplication here, I will divide both sides by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel, and I have x is less than 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I can draw number line x. I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. X is less, so it means 4 is not included and going to negative infinity. So we have interval from negative infinity to 4. This is our solution. Now we can always check if it's correct. I have to choose one number from this interval, for example, x equals negative 1. So I have 3x minus 5 is less than x plus 3. Let me replace x by negative 1. So I have 3 times negative 1 minus 5 is less than negative 1 plus 3. Negative 1 times 3 will be negative 3. Minus 5 will be negative 8 is less than negative 1 plus 3 is 2. Our inequality is true, so our solution is correct.